Hello and welcome. I hope you are doing well. My name is Clement Onyoli. So today we shall be looking on how to search client on KenyaEMR. Okay, thank you. So after logging in, you'll find that after using your username and password, then you'll land on this page. This is the dashboard. Now from the dashboard, you'll go to home. Okay, these are modules. I hope you know it. If you don't have a clue, we have a tutorial that explains what these are. So let us get started. Now you'll go to registration. After registration, you'll see something, a search here, a search icon. It say find or create. You press there. Now there are two options to find client. You may say which patient, maybe all client or only checked in client. So you may use ID or use the name. For example, my client is called Atieno. So let me start typing Atieno. Then you click enter. Now my client is Mercy Atieno. So I'll click on that client. Now details of my client will load. As you can see, you can also use the ID number. For example, let me copy this ID number. We want to see how to search using ID number. So let me start, go at registration. Then let me find the client. Now we are using the ID number. You'll say all client. Then write the ID number of the client here. Then you press enter. Now you can see we have set with the ID number and we have found our client. So this is the method that we use to find our client, and it is very easy. So I hope you have seen and enjoy our tutorials. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to our channel and you'll be notified when we post another tutorials. Thank you for today. Next, I will be showing you more and more useful tips on how to work on KenyaEMR. Thank you.